Welcome, here I've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and let me present you the flip camera, this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and now we are in the standard photo mode with the back view. Let's start by changing the back one to the front one and tapping on this button from the right. So hi again, now we get access to the selfie camera and it appears here as you can see. Let's go back and tap again on this button. And now let's focus on these buttons here, the volume keys. When we tap here now on it, we can also use the position of the back camera and change its angle, like that. Let me show you this one also from this kind of view. And now let's pick this button from the right. Here we can also manage the position of the back lens and go up and also go back to the down one or close it by using this button here. And also let me show you this one from this view. And this is how to use this here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.